The Cree often made their existence trading with the HBC. Furs made up the trade industry and were extremely sought after in some cases. Beaver furs were the most popular furs and were the most abundant of all throughout the Cree's hunting territories. Other furs included fox, bear, deer, and many more. The natives would hunt and trap animals, then travel, in some cases, for weeks to come to an HBC trading post. There, they could bargain for guns, ammunition, alcohol, and blankets, and other things. The trades were a very dishonest thing. The HBC would more than often try to cheat the Cree and other native groups and give them less than their bounty of furs was worth. This, however, worked both ways. The Cree would often claim that their furs were worth more than they actually were. Tension was built up quite easily, and some native groups would attack HBC strongholds. Oftentimes, the HBC would trade the Cree faulty weapons. This was not okay. Depending on how far away the HBC posts were, and if they had the option, upon being cheated, the Cree might seek trade elsewhere. Sometimes, however, this was not an option, as the methods of travel were quite slow, and sometimes took weeks to reach a trading post. The Cree were entirely open to intertribal marriage and to marriage with the HBC people. This was seen as good for the trade industry, for the HBC, as it would mean they have a secured trading partner. It was also beneficial in the same way for the Cree. The most common way for the Cree to reach the trading posts is by canoe. The Cree were extremely accomplished travelers and made canoe trips for hundreds of kilometers. This might take weeks to get furs to the HBC trading posts. It seems like a fruitless endeavor to us, but it worked quite well for them. Furs, once dried and stretched, are very small, so small that they can fit more than 50 in a single canoe. This is how they traded for many years.